Hey, what's up, BK traders? This is Brian again with BK Trading Academy. And today we're going to actually be talking about trailing stop loss. If you're big on risk management, I think trailing stop loss will be ideal for you, especially if you're all about protecting your capital. Now, TradeLocker is a new platform, and they've actually just integrated trailing stop loss in their platform, and I'm excited about it. I believe to this date, 75% of people actually have access to this. And within a few days of this video, everyone should have access to it. So I'm going to show you how to use it, what you should look out for, and how to protect your capital. There are some people who are unaware of what a trailing stop loss is. I'll show you the difference between the traditional stop loss and what a trailing stop loss is. And we'll talk a little bit about this. So let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, guys, so some of you do not know what a trailing stop loss is, and I'm going to just kind of tell you what it is in a nutshell. A trailing stop loss allows you to protect your capital. So depending on where price is at, it will follow price until it hits your set parameters. So let's look at TradeLocker here, and they've actually done a really good job. They've just implemented their trailing stop loss here. However, if you're in demo, I don't think you will be able to see it. I don't see it in my demo. You'll have to have it in your live account. So you will see it right here. Here's my live account. And you'll see where it says stop loss and you'll see trail. All right. So again, if you're in your demo, it may not be available, but I was told by the people at TradeLocker that it will be set 100% to all users within a matter of a few days from the recording of this video. About 75% have it right now. So what you want to do is simply trade whatever asset or pair that you're trading. Right here, I have Euro Chef. And then I want to select stop loss here. It's checked off. And then I want to hit trail. So you can notice when I hit trail, if I don't hit it, right here it says SL just for stop loss. As soon as I hit trail, now you'll see TSL for trailing stop loss. Now I like this because you can hit your trailing stop loss based on the price. So whatever price you want it to trail, how many pips or ticks you want it to trail, or a dollar amount or a certain percentage of your account. So what I like to do typically is how many ticks. So I'm going to risk about 60 pips or ticks, and I'm going to put 60 here, just type that in. And then you can see this is my stop loss line right here, trailing price. So if you just look at it, you'll see as price move, it's actually trailing exactly 60 ticks away from current price. So I'm going to give you a demonstration of how a trailing stop loss works and how it can protect your capital. I don't want you guys to laugh at me, but I'm going to just do kind of a little demonstration of how it works and how it protects your capital. If you're not using the trailing stop loss, you should have a valid risk management plan. It doesn't matter how good your trading strategy is. If you don't have a great risk management plan, then I can tell you, you're probably not a consistent and profitable trader. So that being said, here is my analogy here of a trailing stop loss here. I'm on Euro Chef. Remember, we're going to hit the stop loss button here, and then we're going to hit trail. And then I like to use the ticks. I want it to trail me about 60 ticks. So let's say right here's my stop loss. This is current price, and I hit buy. So I want price to head up. So what I'm going to do is as soon as price head up, my trailing stop loss is going to follow me exactly 60 ticks. So now you can see how I've secured some profit. However, if price happens to go against me, what's going to happen is that my stop loss is going to stay in place as my price approaches it. But I'm still locked in here. Now, let's say my price did not hit my stop loss and it continues to go up higher. What's going to happen is my price is going to move, but my stop loss is going to stay the same until 60 pips is in between there. Once 60 pips is in between, then what's going to happen is it's going to trail exactly 60 pips. As price pulls back, my stop loss remains the same, locking in those profits from when I first entered. As long as it doesn't touch the stop loss, I'm still good to go. Let's say price happens to go up higher in my favor. My stop loss remains the same until I am 60 ticks difference, and it will continue to trail it. And you can see how this is really profitable, especially when you're trend trading, because if you know that you're in a dominant trend, then you're going to have some pullbacks. Here's my pullback. And if you have a great risk management plan and you have a wide enough stop loss, but you're risking no more than, let's say, 1 or 2% of your account balance, this is what we teach in at BK Trading Academy, you know it's rare that it's going to hit your stop loss. And as it pulls back, you're having your higher highs, your higher lows. As price continues higher, my stop loss stays the same until it's 60 ticks away, and then it will start to trail again. As it pulls back, we can see that my price pulls back, getting close, and if it touches it, it will get me out of the order, and then I locked in all of that profit. So in my opinion, Trailing stop loss is really good for trend trading because you know you're in a dominant trend. You know you're going to have some pullbacks. Just make sure that when your stop loss is away from structure. So if you understand price action and if you have higher highs and higher lows, keep your stop loss away from your higher low as long as you're keeping profits, and you should continue that higher high, higher low sequence before your stop loss is hit. And I like to swing trade. This is perfect for swing trading, even intraday trading as well. If you use the lower time frame, like the 1 hour time frame, even the 15-minute time frame for an entry. So I think TradeLocker did really well with this, integrating this. I was told by some of their execs that it was difficult to implement, but they got it all under control. 75% of people should have it as a date of this video, and then 100% should have it within a few days. Now, again, I want to stress, as of right now, and I don't know if this is for everyone, but I want you to let me know in the comments, do you see this here where it says trail on your demo account? So here's my demo account right here. You can see that my trailing stop loss is not here. It just says stop loss, and it may be there once it's all implemented and said and done within a few days, but only on my live account is where I see the trail stop loss. So let me know, for those who are using TradeLocker, do you see this trail right here on your live account? And do you see it on your demo account? Just let me know in the comments below. And guys, this is a game changer because I love that it implements the TradingView platform still, because I love trading on TradingView. It's very user-friendly. And so TradeLocker has used this as their platform so we can trade currencies on it. So I love it, guys. All right, guys, and as I promised, really quickly, I'm going to show you the traditional stop loss and the difference, okay? Let's say you bought here. This is your white line. You bought here. This is your stop loss here, right at support. You buy, price heads up your way. You're in profit. You're feeling good. You step away from your computer. Let's say some news happened, or if you're at work and something happened, price goes your way, but it will come back down to your stop loss, and you will actually turn out negative because you owe spreads and commissions and things like that. So you can't protect your capital with the traditional stop loss. However, a traditional stop loss is really good for different things, especially scalping. But if you're trend trading, you're trading with a trend, a trailing stop loss is priceless. I love that they implemented this, and I was actually waiting for this. So I was glad that one of their executives told me that they've implemented it and had to share it with my YouTube family. So let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help you. And even if I don't have the answer, I'll be sure to contact someone there, and maybe they'll have the answer for you, and I'll be sure to let you know. In the meantime, guys, let me know in the comments if you like this. Let me know if you can see your trailing stop loss in your demo live account. We have a trading academy in the description below. We also talk about CLT course. We have a CLT course, which stands for Commitment to Traders, is in the description below as well, to help you to become a profitable trader. And again, guys, I will see you in the next video. God bless you.